Click on Start icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Click here to open it. On this window, click on File, then select Run New Task. On this window, click on Browse button. Now we need to select this PC, then open C drive. Now just scroll down and open Windows folder. From here we need to open this folder, then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe. Select this and click on open. After that, simply check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. So we already have a list of commands to make it easy for you, and to avoid mistakes, simply open Google Chrome, then type here google.com and hit enter. Now in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and click here to open it. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. On this window, just scroll down and search for command number 12. So copy this command, simply click on this, right click and select copy. Now go back to command prompt window and right click on command prompt to paste and hit enter to execute it. After that, copy command number 13, go back to command prompt window, right click on black area and simply paste that and hit enter to execute it. Once done, close this command prompt window. Click on search bar, then type here troubleshoot settings and click here to open it. After that, go to other troubleshooters and run the Windows update option. It will try to detect the problems. After that, close this window, again go to search bar and type services, then click here to open it. On this window, right click on background, intelligent transfer service properties and set the startup type as automatic. Click on apply and then OK. Do the same process for Windows update. Open properties and select startup type as automatic, then click on apply and then OK. Once done, close this window, again go to search bar, type cmd and run as administrator. Now type these commands carefully. You will get all these commands in the description below. Just copy and paste it here and hit enter to execute them. Once done, close the command prompt window, open File Explorer, open C drive, open Windows folder, then open Software Distribution folder, and from the download folder select all the files and just delete them. Now go to search bar, type cmd, run as administrator. Now type this command carefully and hit enter. After that, close the command prompt window, go to search bar, again type cmd run as administrator. Now type this command sfc /scannnow and hit enter. This command will take some time to complete the process. Once done, close command prompt window, again open command prompt, run as administrator. You will get this command from the description below, just copy and paste it here. Now go for this command, again hit enter. Close command prompt window, open Google Chrome or any web browser and you will get this link from the description below. Just copy and paste on the web browser and just follow my screen. Download the setup file. Select desktop and select save. Now install this setup file, select open and complete all the installation process. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.